As a developer, you're going to spend a lot of time writing and reading code. So you'll probably want to start using an external editor rather than the built-in editor. It will give you some really valuable functions, including syntax highlighting that will point out common errors, autocomplete, and so much more. In this video, I'm going to run you through some of the most popular editors, and you can pick the one that works best for you. First up is Sublime Text. Sublime Text is free, although the authors ask you to pay for it if you're getting some benefit from it. What people like about Sublime Text is it's simple and customizable and has a nice interface. Another great thing about Sublime Text is that there's an entire ecosystem of free open-sourced packages that will make the editor even more powerful. It's easy to download and set up, and you might consider giving it a try. Up next, Visual Studio Code, also known as VS Code. VS Code is really easy to get set up and running and also comes with a lot of great extensions. It also has an integrated terminal, so you can run your Python code from within your editor, which is really convenient. It's pretty popular, and a lot of people within the Python community are using it, so you might want to give it a try yourself. Up next is PyCharm, which is called an integrated developer environment. PyCharm was built specifically for Python, so it has a lot of great built-in features, but it might be a little too heavy-handed for beginners. It's also pretty expensive, although students can often get a free download by visiting jetbrains.com/student. From here, you can apply, and it looks like all they require is a student ID card or a student email address. And finally, another popular option is Jupyter Notebook. The Jupyter Notebook is normally installed using a Python distribution called Anaconda that comes packaged with a lot of scientific and data visualization libraries. It can be a little bit tricky to get set up, and I don't necessarily recommend it for beginners, but I wanted you to be aware of it as you'll likely come across it during your Python adventures. So everyone has their favorite editor, and they might try to convince you that one is better than another, but it really comes down to personal preference. So go ahead and give one a try, and if you don't like it, try another one. There really is no wrong choice.